Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful unicorn with tracing. Here I draw a dotted picture, connect all the dots and see this will be a beautiful unicorn. Follow me and try to draw with me. I draw the picture, now it's time to color it. Here I am using brush pen color. You can use any kinds of color as you like. I will color it as rainbow color. Wow, the unicorn is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new interesting video for you. Till then, bye bye little champs. Wow!